Welcome to the in front of me Realme Pad, and I'll show you how to change gesture sensitivity on this device. So first you should go to the settings app and scroll down to the accessibility section. Now just go here a little bit down to the system navigation section. Tap there, and here on the right side of your display you'll see the settings icon. Just tap there, and as can you see, we got here our sensitivity section. You can just change your sensitivity by swap these blue dots to the left or to the right side, to the lower, from the lower to the higher. So that's how it looks, and then just go back to save the changes. So that's how it looks. If you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.